Hello students, I am Yogita Ashok Sadavre, working as assistant teacher at Vithamata Vidyalaya Karat. In these sessions, we are going to discuss basic concepts in geometry and objectives of these sessions are: first, students are able to understand point, line segment, ray, and parallel lines. Second, students are able to identify a plane, collinear, and non-collinear points. Third, understand and identify point of concurrence. Let's discuss. What kind of surface do you need for making rangoli? And answer is plain surface. How do you start making a rangoli? Answer is by taking tiny dots. Name the different shapes you see in the rangoli. Answer is square, rectangle, and many more. When making a rangoli on paper, what do you use to make the dots? Answer is pen or pencil. Points. A point is shown by a tiny dot. We can use a pen or a sharp pencil to make the dot. Capital letters of the alphabet are used to name a point. Here A, B and C are name of the points. Line segments. Take 2 points A and B on sheet of paper. Join points A and B by using a ruler. We get the straight line AB and it is called as line segment AB. In short, we can write as sec AB. Here points A and B are called end points of sec AB. Line. Take 2 points A and B on sheet of paper. Join points A and B by using a ruler. We can extend this line without any limits on both sides. To show this extended line on paper, we use arrowheads at both ends of the line. A line is named using a small letter. Example, line A. A line is named by any 2 points on the line. Example, line AB or line BA. And arrowheads are drawn to show that a line is infinite in the both directions. Rays starting from the sun go forward in all directions. Light rays from the torch also start from a point and go forward continuously in one direction. Rays. A ray is a part of a line. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. The starting point of a ray is called its origin. Here, point is the origin. An arrowhead is drawn to show that the ray is infinite in the direction of Q. This figure can be read as ray PQ. The ray PQ is not read as ray QP. Here we see planes. Look at the pictures. What kind of surfaces do you see? This is flat surface and also a flat surface. Here the curved surface. A flat surface is called a plane. The plane is extends infinitely. The plane extends infinitely on all sides. This is shown by arrows. Here H is the name of the plane. Here we see parallel lines. Lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect each other, such lines are called parallel lines. Intersecting lines. Here lines M and N are intersect each other. The point P is called intersect point. Lines M and N are called intersecting lines. Here we will see collinear points. 3 or more points which lie on a single straight line are said to be collinear points. Here points P, Q and R are called collinear points because these 3 points lie on a single straight line. Non-collinear points. 3 or more points which do not lie on a single straight line are said to be non-collinear points. Here points P, Q and R are called non-collinear points because these 3 points do not lie on a single straight line. Concurrent lines and point of concurrency. When 2 or more lines pass through the same point, they are called concurrent lines. The common point through which lines are passed is called their point of concurrency. Here lines L, M and N are intersect each other at point P. Lines L, M and N are called as concurrent lines. Point P is called as point of concurrency. Thank you. Concurrence.